Hi, my video today is to replace the anode on a Volvo Sail-drive that is equipped with an Ambassador rope cutter. Very simple job, and I'll show you how to go. First thing is there is a screw in the middle of the cone here, which is a hex, one of those, that we first need to undo. That comes off and will be used in replacing. Next is to take the cone off. Now this can be quite hard. What you can do is find something that is big enough to go in the hole, not that one. Possibly something like that. And then use that as leverage to undo the cone. I've actually loosened this one earlier. The cone comes off. There is a washer also. That will be used to put back on. And then the prop should come straight off afterwards. Next, the rope cutter itself comes off. Just slides off the shaft and is all one piece. Finally, here is the anode with two Phillips screws, one at the bottom, one at the top. We undo these. Keeping them because they will be required to put back afterwards. And then off comes the anode. Here is the replacement. But what I would like to show, the difference between this and a standard anode that fits on the Volvo Sail-drive for the Ambassador Marine, the Ambassador rope cutter, is the cutout. So this is a normal one, and as you can see, it is completely intact in its circle. The Ambassador has been machined with not only a hole at the top, but a noggin that's been cut out at the top as well. They are the differences that you can see. If I was to put the standard one on and then attempt the rope cutter, it simply will not fit. I therefore put the specialist machined anode on, replace the screws, sure they're tight, and then start reassembling everything else. The rope cutter, so the whole plug here, and this goes into the hole at the top of the anode, fits nicely. Next, the prop goes back on. There are two lugs on the prop which fit into the two lugs on the, or lug hole should I say, fit on the two lugs on the rope cutter. That's nice and on. Next, the washer and the cone. Again, using a bit of leverage. Just needs to be hand tight. And then finally, the bolt. With the socket wrench, and that's it. One anode replaced. Thank you.